If you're using Windows 10 or 11, and when you press the print screen key on your keyboard, the screenshots aren't showing up in your screenshot folder inside your pictures folder, then keep watching and I'll show you how to fix it. From the taskbar search, let's type regedit, right-click on the Registry Editor and select Run as an Administrator, and click Yes when prompted. At the top in the address bar, copy and paste this path. I left it down in the descriptions. And hit enter. Once you're there in the user shell folders, look for the value with this name. If it's missing, right-click on an empty space on the right panel, and let's select New, then Expandable String Value, and paste this value name there. Now double-click on it, and let's paste this value. You'll find both of these values in the video's descriptions below. And click on OK. Then close the Registry Editor, restart your PC to apply the changes. After restarting, your screenshots should now automatically save to your screenshots folder inside your pictures folder. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.